Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids and My Passion. Here comes some workout activity to your kids' brain using their five senses. Our five senses allow us to enjoy the world around us. These activities help your kids simultaneously engage all their five senses by focusing on different parameters. Sense of taste. Our primary taste sensations are sweet, salty,
and
sour, bitter.
salty.
You need to gather 3 to 4 different food items that fit to these parameters. Now, let's taste each of these items and they need to discuss its taste. Make sure that your kids are blindfolded.
Carrot, honey, spicy, hard,
Sense of smell. We need different liquids or dissolve any variety of gel in water. Now, let's kids try to smell it.
rose water, perfume, Dettol, dishwasher, oil,
Sense of hearing. Let's kids listen to the surrounding noise and need to guess the object.
toy, hammer, plaster, telephone,
Sense of touch. Collect a variety of items and blindfold your child and let them feel each item.
beets,
Let them describe the texture and guess what the item is.
octopus, tire, sponge, cock,
Sense of sight. Collect different items and give your child a minute to observe. And blindfold them and ask some specific questions like its shape, color, or size to test their memory. Now it's time to check your memory. What was the sea creature?
crab,
What is the shape of the battery?
triangle,
Huh?
rectangle,
What is the color of the scissors?
green, red, yellow.
So this activity develops skills to solve complex problems and boost self-confidence of your kid. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.